Hey guys, what's happening? I had to withdraw from Vantage to Trust Wallet. So make sure you already generated an address from the Trust Wallet. In order to generate an address from Trust Wallet, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit the plus button, Fund. And then what you're gonna do, hit the last option, Receive from another wallet. And select the network and make sure it matches the one in Vantage as well. All right, so let's say I'm using BTC, so BTC. I'm gonna copy the address and add it to Vantage. Now what we're gonna do, after you generated the address, assuming you already did, we're gonna just go ahead to the Vantage wallet and hit withdraw. Okay, and then you're gonna select your account, right? The standard STB in my case, right? I'm gonna enter the amount, right? And then hit continue. And you're gonna select the withdrawal method. Choose your preferred method for receiving the funds and ensuring it suits your needs. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.